Not many people know that these 1993 memorial cent coins can be worth a lot more money than just 1 penny. I mean, look at this coin for example. Most people will look at this coin and think that it is damaged. That's the farthest thing from the truth. This is a broad struck error coin, and if you come across a coin like this, you could have a coin worth a lot more money because this one sold for $40. That's right, a penny worth 40 bucks. Here's one that was struck 50% off center that sold for $33. If you come across a coin like this, you could have a coin with a lot of money. Here's the same sort of thing. This is a broad struck coin and it sold for $75. Now you can see this coin is similar to the previous one as it is also broad struck with some damage to the copper plating there. But don't worry too much about that. All you gotta know is that if you come across a coin like this, it's gonna be worth a lot more money than just one little penny. So here are two coins that are struck 80% and 75% off center, and they sold for a combined amount of $106. Wait, 90% of you that watch the videos are still not subscribed. So you better subscribe right now so we can keep the lights on. Wait, no, I was kidding. Now here's a coin that graded as the perfect grade of a proof 70 deep cameo. This is a 1993 S coin. You can see that S mint mark below the date. This coin sold for $660. Now what is a proof coin? Really quick, proof coins will have a backdrop or field of the coin, which looks like a mirror. Now that's the best way to tell if you have a proof coin or not. Proof coins will typically be worth more money than other coins, but that's definitely not always the case. Proof coins are also meant to be in collections, so you probably won't find one out in circulation. But if you inherit a coin collection, definitely keep your eyes out for proof coins, because again, it sold for $660. And here's a great example of why it's not only proof coin. So this is a non-proof coin. This one was struck at the Denver Mint. You can see the D mint mark beneath the date there. This one graded by PCGS in Mint State 69 red, and it sold for $1,495. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely enjoy the video on the screen.